Hi everyone and welcome to the Alpha Tech. In this video, I will be unpacking and testing out the Ugreen Nexode 140W charger. And a big thank you to Ugreen for sponsoring this video. So let's unpack this quickly. There is a charger itself. This is the USB Type-C to Type-C cable, which is half a meter long. It is a very high quality cable. Here are the instructions and the user manual. Let's talk about the charger. So the charger has clean and smooth finish, and you can see the 140W label. It is an ultra-fast charger, especially designed for the laptops, tablets, iPads, and smartphones. This charger is 22% smaller than the 140W Apple charger. And the beauty is that it has the 2 extra ports, so you can get 3 ports with this charger, and where Apple charger only offers 1 port. Well, it is a multi-device charger. Like you can see, it has 2 USB Type-C ports, one of which is capable of charging 140W, the other is capable of charging up to 100 watts. And we also have the USB-A port that provides up to 22.5 watts of the charge. Well, you can charge the multiple devices at the same time. Now let's test this charger. Okay, here is the Macbook Pro. It supports charging up to 140W. So if you look at the adapter, here you can see that USB-C one offers a charging speed of 140W. Now let's connect the cable, and as you can see, I am charging the MacBook Pro. It is a multi-device charger. It can charge multiple devices at the same time, and it can quickly charge the 2 laptops at the same time. Also include that the charger contains a power distribution system. So this Ugreen Nexode 140W charger is a 3-port charger, meaning you can get 140W from a single USB-C port. But if you don't need the full 140 watts for your separate device, you can charge up to 3 devices, one with a USB-A port, the other 2 with the USB Type-C ports. So guys, if you have a plan to buy this, I will be sure to include the links in the description. That's it from this video, and thank you very much for watching this video. Peace out.